Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to mock find by ID method in Data JPA by using Mockito. In this video, technology is used Mockito testing framework Data JPA to connect with database. This is Spring Boot application. So let's get started. This is not scratch video. This is continuous video of JUnit playlist. Before watching this video, it is recommended to watch 11 videos of JUnit playlist. This playlist I will provide in description. So in this video, I will develop JUnit test cases for find by ID. So previously, I developed JUnit test cases for save method. After this save, delete by ID. After find all, now I will develop JUnit test cases for find by ID. So go to service class, add one method. First, we need to know the where this find by ID method is available. So let's go to JPA repository. See, JPA repository is the interface. So minimize. This is the outline. Go to outline. See, is there any find by ID? Find all there, but find by ID is not there. Then go to list called repository. So it is also interface. See interface list called repository. Here find all is there. Find all by ID. But find by ID is not there. Then go to called repository. Called repository also interface. Let's see. Find by ID. See here find by ID is there. Go to find by ID. This giving optional of T. Find by ID. So let's develop the service class logic. Here go to service class, maximize. So add another method, public. So find by ID. By using ID, we will retrieving the student. This is the student entity. So we are retrieving the student object. Find by ID. So by using find by ID, we are getting the student. Find by student. Find by student by using ID. You can mention like that. So this is the student repository. Here go to student repository. Extend JPA repository. JPA repository extends current JPA repository. Current JPA repository extend current list current JPA repository extends current repository. So in current repository, find by ID is there. So student repo control space find by ID. Find by ID, it is expecting long. Take one parameter, long ID, pass here ID. So see what it will return. Optional of student, right? So we want only student. We don't want optional, then use get. See, get what it will return, get. It will return student. Student equal to. So this is student entity, right? It is recommended field as a student. So post letter is capital. Don't use like S, ST kind of. It is use the full entity name as a reference variable. So then return student. Yeah, this is student service method is done. Go to runner. Let's verify it is working or not. So let's verify it is working or not. Command these two lines. Wait sometime on pop-up is open. So this is the student service reference variable dot find by student by using ID, right? So here this is on student object, student reference variable dot get ID, semicolon, post check in database 1003. This record is there or not. So I'm opening SQL plus. You are beginner to using the Oracle, then it is recommended to go through post SQL class. After that, you can use GUI like SQL developer. So set pages, set lines, select star from student 1003. See, 1003 is recorded there. Okay, go to IDE. So let's print the response. Control C. It will return the student response. Right, we are displaying. So go to student. If this toString is not there, then it will print as code. So check it is toString is available at entity class level or not. Else it will print the as code only. So I am running. Let's check it is able to retrieve the find the one record or not. Go to the starter class. Run as Spring Boot app. Open the console. Let's wait some time. Spring Boot application will be started. So internally using Hikari data source here. See, we got the 1003 record. This is the ID, name, branch, age, mail. So let's develop the JUnit test case for this find by ID method. So student app as this test Java service. So we add another method, public JUnit test method should be void, starts with test. After that, find, just see the name, find by student by using ID. So find by student by using ID. After that, see above where inject mocked we are used student service. Copy this one. To activate, this is mocked. To activate mocks Mockito annotations dot open mock. This is required. If you want to mock any method, then that class should be we need to annotate with at mock. So our mock, if you want to develop genuine test cases for any class, then class name suffix should be test annotated with at Spring Boot test. So go to here student service dot find by student by using long ID, right? So this dot we have already this get student is there, right? Get student dot get ID. So it is nothing but actual method call. It is the actual method call. First we need to mock setting expectations in nothing but mock. So setting expectations in nothing but mock. Then Mockito dot when we can use like Mockito dot when or we can import like static imports without Mockito. We can directly import static import. So we are decided to mock the student report dot find find by ID, right? So you can mention here find by ID inside here. See, we are mentioning like Mockito dot any, like that we need to mention Mockito dot any, but here expecting long, right? Long dot class dot then return it is expecting the student object. This dot get student. See, now it is expecting optional, right? Optional of student. Then use dot get. It is expecting right optional of student, right? So it is expecting optional of T, right? Then do like, see, I am cutting this, Control X, optional Yeah, optional dot of it is expecting t means type. We can pass our type. This dot get student. So semicolon. See, it is of method. It will returning the type t. Now t here student. So mocking done. Actual method call is done. So verify the mock method calling or not. So for that, copy this method is find by ID. Find by ID. We need to pass long. Then you this dot get get student dot get ID. This is done. So now validating results. So here it will this method find by student by using ID. It will return student object student student actual. So control S. Let's verify it is working or not. If it is working, this test case is passed. Then I can add multiple asset condition like this. Right click, run here, JNV test. So where sometimes this test case will be executed, then we will get either this test case will be passed. If passed, it will be green. If this test case is failed, then it will be red color. See, green color. So this test case is passed. Then we can add multiple asset conditions. So we are now developing JNV test case for test find by student by using ID, right? So here ssn dot asset here asset true. We are giving the true, right? Set is male true. So actual dot get this is boolean is male. So it is true. This should be passed ssn dot asset equals see expected and actual. Expected you can take like 999L 49L actual dot get ID. So like another control C. So set branch is EC string. So string then get branch. Same copy control C. Now name is there, right? Name. So I am changing to name. Name. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four fields are there. So these are the four fields. We are checking the asset conditions. But here last condition I am giving capital S. Let's check this test case will be passed or not. After that again I will change to lower letter. Then after also again I will check this test case is working or not. Let's verify what is we will get. It will be successfully executed or we will get red color. If red color is coming, then we can verify why this test case will be failed. Here, so Shankar, this test case is fast. So capital small is not a matter. I think so. Let me add one to. Let me check. This test case will be failed or not now. So at last test case we are understand if it is small letter or capital letter, not a matter, but it will check the exact characters there are not. Same characters are there or not. See here. Again, this test case is passed. Oh, sorry, actually I did mistake. So I am not added. It's test annotations. That's why it is ignored. Test control as run as JUnit. So must be if it is capital. Here also actual and expected must both are capital. If it is small, must be small. So at test annotation, I am not added. So this test case will be ignored. So not considered. That's why it is passing. See, now failed. So previously I also am expected failing, but we are not added at the test. So it is ignored. See here, expected center, but was center. So capital issue, capital, small issue, right? So remaining are passing. These are the asset conditions are passing, but last here we are passing more as a small center, but here capital is there. Expecting capital. Now I am changing. Let's run. Run here. Unit. Let's verify. Now this test case should be passed. This way too we can do JNU test cases for JPA methods. If you are using any JPA method in service, so we can do JNU test case like this. So here now green, 4 test cases are passed. Previously we are forgetted for this test find by ID student by using ID. This we are forgetted to annotate at test annotation. That's why it is ignored. So we have successfully developed JNU test case for find by ID. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.